Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a taunt animation for your hero in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to hop into the match, and then go to Settings, and go to Advanced Hotkeys by clicking here, and under Unit Actions, search for Taunt item, which is right over here. As you can see, I've set mine as T for taunts. Now go back. Now if I press T, my hero will do a taunt animation. Like so. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Ace. Happy gaming!